Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'll show you how to easily download and install the official Windows 11 on your PC or laptop step by step. So whether you are upgrading from Windows 10 or just doing a clean install, I've got you covered. Before we install Windows 11, make sure your PC or device meets the minimum system requirements. So you could check the compatibility or your RAM or your storage to see if your device is compatible for an upgrade or a download. Then right after, once your PC is compatible, you need to head over to official Microsoft Windows 11 download. So as you can see, we're currently here onto the official website, but there are three options for this. We have Windows 11 Installation Assistant, which is for upgrading your current PC, create installation media for a bootable USB or DVD, or download ISO file for advanced users. So in this video, as you can see in here, we're going to be using the Installation Assistant for the easiest upgrade. So you'll just need to head onto this website, or you could search Windows 11 Installation Assistant. So if you prefer the other options like installation media or download ISO file, you could just simply search them onto Google Chrome. And then right after, so here onto the website, you should be able to see an option to download now or click onto this button. So before you begin, there are also steps in here that you could go ahead and try to see. So we've mentioned earlier to check the compatibility of your device. So just make sure that these conditions apply to you. So you could view that one first. And there is also a guide on what you need to do right after you download that. So here's what we're gonna do. We need to run. So you need to be an administrator to run this tool. So run as administrator. And once the tool confirms the device hardware is compatible, you will be presented with a license term. So you'll just need to accept and install onto that. So once the tool is ready, you'll just have to click on restart now and it will complete the installation on your computer. So it may take some time to install Windows 11 and your PC will restart a few times for that. So just make sure you don't turn off your PC. So you'll just have to click on download now. And as you can see, it should show something like this. Just open this onto your device folder, and I have downloaded this earlier. You'll just have to double click onto this and you'll just have to accept that one. So you'll just have to wait for this. So just following the prompts like the steps in here and just wait for your device to be upgraded. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded and installed the official Windows 11 on your PC. If you think this tutorial has been helpful to you, then don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and also check out the links in the description for some helpful bonuses, tools, and extra resources we share. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you on to the next one.